Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan at 12:46 p.m. Central Standard Time, Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for rural municipality of Harris, including Harris and Tessier, and rural municipality of Montrose, including Donovan and Swanson. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for rural municipality of Milden, including Dinsmore, Milden, and Wiston, and rural municipality of Fertile Valley, including Conquest, Macquarie, and Bounty. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Saskatchewan at 12:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. A heat warning is continued for Prince Albert, Shelbrook, Spiritwood, Duck Lake. A heat warning is continued for the city of Saskatoon, Martensville, Warman, Rosthern, Delisle, Wakaw, and Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: city of Saskatoon, Martensville, Warman, Rosthern, Delisle, Wakaw, and Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore.
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte d'orage violent pour sud de la Saskatchewan à 12h32, heure normale du centre, le samedi 3 juillet 2021. Une alerte d'orage violent est émise pour la municipalité rurale de Milden, incluant Dinsmore, Milden et Wiston, et la municipalité rurale de Fertile Valley, incluant Conquest, Macquarie et Bounty. Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour sud de la Saskatchewan à 12h41, heure normale du centre, le samedi 3 juillet 2021. Un avertissement de chaleur est maintenu pour Prince Albert, Shelbrook, Spiritwood, Duck Lake. Un avertissement de chaleur est maintenu pour la ville de Saskatoon, Martensville, Warman, Rosthern, Delisle, Wakaw et Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore. Une veille d'orage violent est émise pour la ville de Saskatoon, Martensville, Warman, Rosthern, Delisle, Wakaw et Outlook, Watrous, Hanley, Imperial, Dinsmore.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan at 12:46 p.m.